1970s game shows used to sound like this.
Mr. and Mrs. Be nice to each other.
And in the 80s, like this. But the track at number 16 in our countdown sparked a quiz show revolution.
I think we came up with the main theme in a day. And I can distinctly remember my son Matthew sitting at the piano. The opening chord, da da da, that very opening chord is the opening chord from Holst's Mars Planet Suite. I also said there needs to be something in the melody of the theme that is the same as the rhythm of Who Wants to Be a Millionaire. So it started off with his idea, da 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 da, and then Who Wants to Be a Millionaire?
But the Strachan's work was far from over once they'd written the titles, as this was one quiz where music would play a crucial role throughout the show.
Here we are again. Hello. Oh. Hello, welcome to Who Wants to Be a Millionaire?
You don't notice, as a viewer, quite what's happening, but it is slowly as the money builds. It is racking up the drama.
Question number 13 is worth $250,000.
And by the time you're up to sort of, you could lose £500,000. It's like, oh my God!
Final answer.
Final answer.
And the music actually really sticks that in, And it just made it pretty scary, actually, for somebody sitting there.
You just won £250,000.
Who Wants to Be a Millionaire's nerve-wracking format led to the programme becoming Britain's most successful quiz show ever, selling to over 100 countries.
It probably did, with hindsight, change the look of game shows and the feel of game shows forever. And what the music brought in was drama.
The music has been heard by, not everybody on the planet, but everybody on the planet that's got a television, probably.
At number 14...
I'll go for a pee, please, Bob.
The theme to a show that was aimed at slightly bigger kids. This staple ingredient on every student's TV menu made history when it hit our screens in 1983 as the first quiz show to air 5 days a week. Its composer was also the man behind the theme tunes for Catchphrase and Crosswits.
The producer told me my idea for the graphics is that flowing towards the audience will be various objects. One of the things was a bust of Beethoven, so I put a little clue to Beethoven in the theme.
The series, along with host Bob Holness, amassed a cult following and spent a gold run of 10 years on ITV.
What D, gentlemen, provides the meat called venison? That's Colin?
Deer.
Is the answer, and that's Blockbusters! Right.
It was a tune that even came with its own dance craze.
Bye for now from all of us. Cheers!
I am proud of it because people describe it as iconic, which I think is a very flattering phrase. It's not the greatest tune I've ever written, but there's something about it which obviously has touched a nerve.
Some criminal moves being thrown there.